Hey guys, it's Mr. B. We're in the shop. It is Saturday. A bunch of stuff going on, but Keith's behind me here from Outlaw Speed Shop. Well, if you get a chance, you should check out his channel. He's got a cool channel that he does restorations of cars, but your cars are a little smaller.
Yeah, they're about a 1/64 scale actually. Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. So yeah, check it out. Does some super cool restorations on Hot Wheels cars, mods, all kinds of stuff. So cool channel. Outlaw
Speed Shop.
On YouTube. Yep, and Instagram as well. We're here in the shop. We got the 55 behind us, and over here we have this. So there's the motor, and so now we're going to get this up on that table, so we can work on it and get flywheel on, clutch, pressure plate, throw-up bearing, pilot bearing, all those things that come along. So come along with us on the ride as we get this together. Okay guys, Keith and I are working here. We got the block up on the bench and we got it hanging from the lift, but after closer inspection here, we got a little problem that we got to rectify before we go any further. So let me show you what that is. If we take a look here, we put the backing plate on, and you can see where Keith's hand is there. There's an oil drain plug, but unfortunately, I don't know how that's showing up on the camera, but unfortunately that plug is not allowing the backing plate for the scatter shield to go on. So we're gonna have to come up with a plan B, whether we change the pan or do a little machining or something. So we're gonna call it quits for now. We're gonna be back. We're not done yet. Okay guys, we are in the machine shop, and we got the scatter shield set up. We're setting it up in the mill. We're gonna make a little cut so that we can get that to fit in. Dirk's here and he's prepping everything, and we're just gonna make a quick cut, and then we'll be okay.
We hope.
We hope. You can see in the back here, I'll put the camera in there, you can see there's the cut we gotta make to fit the oil drain. So we're here on the Bridgeport. Much better than doing it with the drill press, a lot more accurate. And,
not as much fun, but more accurate.
Definitely not. Not something you want to do with a hole saw and a hand drill for sure.
Yeah, but you know, sometimes a drill press could be a pretty useful tool. A lot of people have gotten through a lot of restorations with sawzalls, drill presses, for that matter, even hand grinders. So, hey, you do what it takes to get the job done. As long as you're not completely a hack, why not, right?
I agree. There's no sense hacking anything, that's for sure.
No. Well, we're lucky that we can come over to the company here and be able to use their shit and get it done. And one of these days we'll probably set up a Bridgeport ourselves over there at the garage, but in the meantime, we're gonna do it here.
In the meantime, we're just gonna go for it. So you can see he's bolting it down, put some hold downs on there. But yeah, I mean, if you were just working in your shop at home and you had this issue, you know, you can always find a resolution. May not be as quick, may not be as clean, but you could certainly get the job done.
Yeah. You know,
And, you know, I mean,
where there's a mill, there's a way.
that's right. All right, we'll be back in a second. What's the cut?
Whether you're drilling or milling, if it doesn't sound right, you're getting blue chips, you're getting sparks, more than likely you're going too fast. With every tool, there's what's known as a chip per rep. So every tooth can only take so much material per cut for its own RPM. So what happens a lot of times is you're running too slow in RPM, trying to take too much, hence break the drill or gouge or walk the drill. Or you're going too fast and you're rubbing because you can't take that much. So the best indicator to that, if the chips are nice and silver, things sound good, you're doing it right.
Okay, guys, here it is. Nicely milled. So we're good.
Yep, just gonna roll these edges around in the welding shop and we'll be done.
All right, so you know, when you have the right tools for the job, it certainly makes a huge difference in what you do. You grab that glove right there, Billy? Sorry. Yeah, so we're just gonna round this off over here, and we should be fine. And then we can get back to putting the clutch in and doing what we gotta do. Okay guys, we're back. We put the flywheel on. We've got the clutch in, the pilot bearing got put in, pressure plates on, everything's tight. We're gonna torque these, torque the flywheel, and then we'll get to the bell housing and work on some of that. So let's do that. Okay guys, that's it for this vlog. Transmission's on. We're gonna drop this thing in and get it ready to go up on the lift so we can get the drive shaft back in and all that stuff. A lot to do yet. We still got a lot of electrical work. We gotta get the fuel system in. You know, we got a million things we gotta get done. But first thing we're gonna do is get this block, tranny and everything dropped in there. I know it's a 55. It's got a Lakewood bell housing, so that always causes a few problems. You know, obviously 55 Chevy was not meant for this block. So although there was a block like this in here before, we're gonna probably do it a little differently and lock this thing down. Don't forget to like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Instagram at Classic Drive TV. You can head on over to Facebook, check out what's going on over there. Don't forget to check out Outlaw Speed Shop with Keith. Puts together some really great mods on little matchboxes and the paint jobs. You know, everything is scaled down, so it's pretty tricky, but some really amazing results. So check out his channel, Outlaw Speed Shop. And for now, I guess that's it. But we'll be back, a little shorter of a vlog today. We'll be back very soon as we get closer to the D-Day to get this thing running. So on the Heavy Chevy, I'm Mr. B, and the Classic Drive TV shops. We'll catch you in a little bit. Won't be long.